Hi, this is Lucas with the Yoga Teachers College, and I'd like to invite you to our Yoga Trapeze Teacher Training course. If you're a passionate yoga student, if you love inversions, this is a really exciting opportunity to get certified and start teaching yoga right away. In case you didn't know, YOGABODY's Yoga Trapeze, we're the largest manufacturers of yoga inversion slings in the world. What that means is we have over 200,000 students in 81 countries, but still very few teachers. So there's a lot of opportunity right now to start teaching. As a certified teacher, there are lots of different benefits, but I'll share some of them with you today. First and foremost is you can deliver results. As a yoga trapeze teacher, you'll have people come into you with back pain, with a weak core, with poor grip strength, or just general lack of mobility. The yoga trapeze offers a really accessible way to get big benefits quickly. As a yoga teacher, I can tell you it's one of the most rewarding things when you can help people make big personal transformations. Next up is you get to set your own schedule. Most of the trainees I work with, they're really excited about having a little more freedom in their life. Maybe you just want to work evenings, or you just want to work weekends. Maybe you have kids or a job, or you have other obligations that you need to juggle. With the yoga trapeze, you can really set your own schedule and mix and match based on what works for you. Next is the yoga trapeze really serves to attract new clients. For mat-based yoga teachers, it can be pretty difficult to get attention these days because yoga's been around for a long time. But the yoga trapeze is brand new. What this means is if you go to a health fair, if you go to a park, if you go to a gym, and you hang upside down in your yoga trapeze, even if you just post photos on your social media accounts, you'll find students are drawn to you right away. It's really a new student magnet, which means the marketing is pretty automatic and you can focus on what you love doing, which is teaching. Next up is you can travel and teach as a yoga trapeze teacher. Back in 2003, when I first started teaching, one of the big reasons is I wanted to see the world. I wanted to travel and have a job that supported that. And it sounded like a crazy pipe dream, but here I am all these years later. I've been traveling and teaching my entire life. I made it work. With a yoga trapeze, it's actually easier right now because there's such a high demand and so few teachers. Last but not least, you can earn a great salary. Now, nobody goes into yoga teaching to get rich. You're not going to make millions, but you can make a really good salary teaching the yoga trapeze. Compared to mat-based classes, trapeze teachers usually earn 2, 3, even 5x what a mat-based teacher would make. The rates per hour are comparable to a massage therapist or a chiropractor, so it's a really great way to get started. For yoga trapeze teachers, there are 3 main places where our graduates are teaching right now. First place that they're teaching, which is where I recommend everybody get started, is privately. Private yoga is working. Private yoga with the trapeze is working. This means in your home or in their home. It's a great way to help people get results. It's a great way to work with people who are struggling with specific issues like back pain, joint problem, weak core strength, older students, people overcoming injuries, and it's a great way to earn a great income as well. Now, the second opportunity is the obvious one, in yoga studios. Now, more and more studios are modeling their studios after ours, and they're including professional rigging. So more studios around the world are looking for certified teachers to come teach group classes. Last but not least is gyms, CrossFit boxes, climbing gyms, and fitness centers. Many of these places have rigging already for other purposes that can quickly be used for yoga trapezes, and you can get set up with small group classes, so 2 to 8 students very quickly. Just to give you an example, our graduates often finish the course and find their first classes within a week or 2 after graduation. This course is broken up into 2 parts. The at-home portion we call e-learning. That's where you'll learn the fundamentals, the vocabulary, the parts, the setup, the safety, and then also the theory. So anatomy and physiology, back pain, back care management, back injuries. All of the academic part we do before you show up to the course in what we call e-learning. The in-person portion of the course is almost 90% practical. All the things you need to be nose to toes with students and other trainees and your trainers to learn. Hands-on adjustment, class sequencing, safety, modifications, public speaking, and leadership. We do all of that in person, so we make the most of our in-person time during the course. This is a very unique course. There's really nothing else like it on the market. I've been training teachers since 2006, and I've just never had a course like this. The momentum of it is really, really incredible. What I mean by that is students enter this course, many of whom have no prior teaching experience, and within a few short weeks, they're getting their first client. And within a month, many of them have replaced or supplemented their income teaching the yoga trapeze. The demand is huge, the benefits are there, the marketing is really, really simple, and so it's just been really exciting to see. If you scroll down, you can see stories of different students that we have from around the world, so you can get an idea about what types of people are teaching and where they're teaching and how all of this works. You'll also find dates for upcoming courses, and you'll find complete application information. Thanks so much for your interest in the Yoga Teachers College and in the Yoga Trapeze specifically. We look forward to hearing from you, and we hope we can train with you very soon.